I couldn't help but notice in reading both the Assembly and Senate daily file that on the subject of conference committee and mortgage legislation, we have different dates published for when this conference committee will meet. I would point out that Assemblymember Conway and myself, along with our Republican conferees, sent a letter to the Pro Tem and Speaker asking we be included in the agendas of setting schedules and creating the agendas. This was hand-delivered April 30th. And despite a statement by the Pro Tem on the Senate floor that he did not object to our request, it's very clear that this has not, in fact, been done. So we are still available. We're still wanting to be a part of this process, and we would request that we be included in this. If we're not going to be included in this, we'd like at least the courtesy of that having been said. But I do think that this is important enough subject matter that we need to slow down, we need to get it right. It's of obvious, very critical importance to the state. Just as far as being the leader of the minority party here, since my comments about the conference committee not lining up, I should say that's what was reflected in the daily file. And it's not that the Assembly and the Senate don't match. They do match. It's just there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meetings published by the Senate which are not published by the Assembly. The whole point being, there has been a heavy-handed approach in trying to set up meetings. There has not been a collaborative approach, and that is the one that we have sought, one which we thought was agreed upon in a collegial way, and one in which we're expecting. And when that approach is used, we will find a lot of comity, to quote a phrase popular by the presiding officer, and we will not have to go through these long, drawn-out whatever they are that we're doing now. So I just offer that for clarification.